So now let's see how we can change the line thickness after drawing inside of Blender. So over here you can see that I'm in my 2D animation mode, and if I were to go to draw and click and drag this out, you can see that I have a line. Similarly, I can create multiple lines over here as well. So once I do that, I'm going to go around over here, and then I'm going to go around into edit mode over here. So I'm going to select this, and then once I select that, what happens is that now I can thicken the line. And to do that, I'm going to press, let's say, Control, not Control, but Alt and S. And what it does is that it allows me to increase and decrease the line width. As you can see, I can just move this around onto left and right, and this is what happens. And similarly, I can press Shift S. That increases, that allows us to increase and decrease the line strength, as you can see right here. And that is how you can change the line thickness after drawing inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.